to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button and that adorable little bell. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I think this video, hopefully, fingers crossed, this video goes up Wednesday evening because I am so late getting this done. Okay, I know you saw the title of the video. I'm not going to ramble on too much because I want you to enjoy the clips. I did a little bit of voiceover when I was filming because I filmed last night. You'll see that in the next few clips coming. And then I'll be back at the end and show you the final results and show you how I also styled my fireplace and give you an update as where I'm going in my decor in my dining room. Okay, see you soon. Hi guys! Tuesday evening. Sun's about to go down, just got home, and I wanted to film this and get it ready for you guys for tomorrow, for Wednesday, obviously. So this is using all Dollar Tree florals. Like I mentioned before at the beginning of the video, it's all Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna use 4 bundles of these little cream tiny roses. I hope you can see them good. I have my ring light on because it is getting dark. So 4 of those. And then 2 of these. Let me show you these. These right here. They're called Heathers and they're just the cream color ones. 2 of those. And then 4 of these. They're the blooming branches. So 4 of those. And then I'm going to use some remnants that I have that are these, I don't think they're called lambs here. I think they're called something else, but they're just remnants. I must have bought these in something before, maybe at Michael's or Hobby Lobby or something. But it's remnants, but I think it's going to look all good together. And then another remnant I'm going to use is these. I had them down in my storage room, and I guess they're just little daisies, like little white daisies with a tiny bit of yellow in them. But when I put them all together, they look pretty good, and I want these more for texture. And then I'm gonna use 4 of these picks that I got from my local dollar store. They're ferns. I know there's a name for this kind of fern, but I don't know what it is. But I know there's a name for this kind of fern, so you see it there. I know it's called something. I don't know what. But anyways, that's what I'm going to do. I have my hot glue gun warming up because I'm going to use 3 pieces of this dollar store foam. I guess I'm going to take it out of the packaging to start. And okay, let me show you my container. So this is a container that I have. This is ancient, but I like the look of it. I like all this detailing. I was debating on chalk painting it, but then I thought, no, just leave it alone. It's really pretty, right? It's got little feet on it. It's really cute, right? I like this thing. And it's totally gonna fit into the theme that I want for this, my dining room refresh. So you'll see when I get to that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this plastic off and I'm gonna glue 1 piece of foam core directly down the middle this way. And then the other 2 pieces like this on top. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I've glued it. So you can see there, it's all glued. There's dust flying around. Okay, so I glued it, it's secure now. My arrangement, because I'm putting it on my fireplace, which you could see here, I've already started painting it. Yeah, we'll get to that in another video. I'll show you that later. I might finish the painting tonight, hopefully, we'll see. It's gonna have a front and a back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to move it up to the fireplace and back down to figure out how high I want my back. But basically what I wanna do, what I wanna start with is my bulk flowers. So the little tiny roses. Now, I think I'm gonna have to cut these because I wanna place them all over, and you'll see what I mean by that. Like I want them to encompass the entire arrangement. And I know you're probably thinking to yourself, how's she gonna do this with all this space here? But don't worry, you'll see. Because I'm gonna angle them. So it's gonna go on the side of the styrofoam when I cut them. So I'm gonna start cutting. So you can see here, this is where I'm gonna cut them exactly. So I just wanna give you an idea. And these are so good, guys, because you can literally just bend them any which way you want, put them anywhere you want, and I'm just gonna basically plug them in and go. I'm gonna speed this up so you don't have to listen to me ramble, because you know your girl likes to talk. So that's what I'm gonna do, and you'll see me doing it. And I think it's gonna look good. I'm telling you, might not look like much right now, but when this is done, it's gonna look really cute. I just want to give you a look of it so far. I placed it on top of the mantle, even though the mantle's not done, because I wanted to see the height. So you could see that, I don't know, on the last clip, you could see where I placed these big giant ferns and that lamb's ear, but it is intertwined in. So I wanted to give it height in the back. So I'm going to pan back a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, I could totally leave it like this, but I'm thinking it needs just a little more color. So, I have these tiny, the same little roses that you see here. I have them in like a coral color, corally pink. So, and I only have 2 bundles, so I'm going to add them. I wish I had a better place to film, but this is it for today. I really don't have. Now, because I only have 2 bundles of this color, and it's more coral than pink. I hope the camera does it justice. Here comes Mia, the barking dog. This is the time of night that she's obsessed with barking. I'm just gonna scatter them. So I'm not even doing it uniformly. I'm just scattering them. Okay, I'm not gonna talk because I know that when I talk, I babble on about nothing. But do you see just the little pop there? I think it just adds, and I'm adding them on an angle. I don't know if you guys noticed that that's what I was doing when I was putting the arrangement together. I was putting them on an actual angle because that's what gives it dimension and makes it look interesting. Also, these are too close together now. Do you see what I'm saying? These are too close. And it looks like there's a hole here, but from the top of the mantle, you really can't tell. But let's just put one back here anyways. And I always play with my arrangements anyways to get them to look whatever which way I want. So I'm going to plug the rest of these in, and then I think I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, here's the final look. Now it's so much better when you see it in the daylight. You do notice that I did lightly chalk paint the container. If anyone's interested, it's the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in Country Gray. I think it tied it in much, much better with the lamps and the arrangement. But you can really tell the difference in the daylight how much prettier this arrangement is. I think it turned out adorable. Okay, guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. This is just an inspiration. I think it turned out really, really cute. This is so adorable. Go to your local Dollar Tree. Go to your local dollar stores. If you don't have a container like this, you could always thrift one. That would be super easy and fun. This is just turned out so adorable. It's got this little bit of a French country kind of romantic look. That is what I'm going for. I hope this video doesn't feel rushed because it is Wednesday afternoon and I'm trying to get it out to you guys. Anyways, I hope you have a fantastic day and I will see you very, very soon. I'll see you on Friday. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Mwah! Love you guys. Bye.